Hello everybody, as you can see by the title in this video, I am going to be showing you today my newest journal kit that's in my shop, French Classifieds. This is part one that I'm going to be showing you first. It has 11 pages and the pages measure out to be 5.5 by 8.5, which is 21.6 centimeters by 14 centimeters. And my printer prints with the option to be borderless, so I don't get any white around the pages. However, if your printer does, you just trim around that and work with that size, or you can shrink it down even smaller to do a smaller journal. So like I said, part one has 11 pages, and I had a lot of fun creating these journal pages. The inspiration was, as you can see here, to use vintage advertisements from France, and this beautiful floral image here that I cut out from a vintage image also. So I had a lot of fun creating it, and I did have it for pre-sale, so I do thank everybody who has already purchased this kit. I'm actually going to be doing a project this weekend, and I'll be posting videos. I think I'm going to post a video every day just because it's going to be such a long process. I'm going to show the whole thing, so I don't really want to overwhelm everybody. Maybe 1 hour videos max, because it's going to be, you know, full speed, regular speed. So here is going, this is part two right here, and it has 8 pages. It has alternatives for the cover. The original cover has is like this, and it has the Classifieds logo right here. And I gave you the alternative of without the logo, as well as without the flowers on the side, as well as just the plain paper in the background if you just want a plain journal cover. They also come with full-size pattern pages, so you can go ahead and print these out on the back of your journal pages, and I think that'll look really, really pretty. Or just on the back of the ephemera too is probably what I'll do, is print it on the back of the ephemera, so it looks really pretty. So like I said, you get a total of 8 pages with this, and they print out full size. This one's probably my favorite page. It's really pretty lined paper, with the beautiful little balloons that are my favorite little accent in this journal kit. Also, there is the ephemera part of the kit, which comes with 8 pages, and I had a lot of fun designing these. This one's probably my favorite. I don't know why. I just think it's really cute. Little receipt there. And then, as you've already noticed in my past videos, if you've seen them, this is the one page that I did show off. And I had a lot of fun cutting these out with my scan and cut. I'm going to be doing, like I said, I'm going to be doing a project featuring this next. Follow my channel, and you will get a chance to see it as it progresses. Every day, I think, until I'm done, I'm gonna post a video. Why not? So here's more journal cards and other little advertisements. You also can purchase the option to get the travel notebook size, and that's just a standard travel notebook size of 4.33 inches by 8.25 inches, which is 11 centimeters by 21 centimeters. And as well as, if you want me to print out the kit for you, I can go ahead and print it out for you, and I'll do the borderless option, so it looks really nice and pretty, and you can enjoy it at its full size. Thank you guys so much for joining me on this video, and again, I do appreciate your support. Thank you.